Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So I think that is the reason why it was not allowing, because your supervisory organization was dated, probably. Okay. Thank you. Okay. First thing, we have created a definition for your supervisory organization. Next thing, like I said, since this is a position-based supervisory organization, you can only hire if I have an open position available. So when I go to this particular supervisory organization, when I go to staffing, I see here staffing modulus position, but I do not have any open positions. Any open positions is going to be available only over here. If I go to this tech consulting, if I go to staffing tab, it is going to show all the positions without supervisory organizations. I will report the job requisitions. And here, if you see in progress position actions as well and in progress staffing actions, if there are any staffing actions like creation of a position, filling a position right now, all of this will be visible in the staffing tab of any supervisory organization. Now, what I'm going to be doing is for this particular supervisory organization. I'm going to be creating a position right now for that. Go to the relevant actions of this particular supervisory organization and then come down. Go to Reorg. In Reorg, you do not have the positions over here. What happened to that? Alright, sorry staffing. Sorry, it's the other one. So just go to staffing and then open, create position. So you just have to go to the supervisory organization relevant actions. You have something called as staffing. Here, click on create position. So creating a position is going to be simply creating a position where you are going to be hiring. And only those fields which are marked over here as asterisk are going to be mandatory. So position request reason for now, just give it as new. You can choose any of them. There is no hard and fast rule, but I'm just choosing as a new project position title. I'm giving it as test. I'm going to create 2 open positions, and I'm going to say the availability date as today's date. Early, as hire date is also going to be today's date, as per the system, which is 18/9 and then job family. So all the job, families, and everything which we saw earlier and for now, choose as no job restrictions for this position. Choose no job restrictions. Alright, for now, just choose it. We will see the job restrictions a little next. And then, for your profile, just choose it as consultant, which is already an available one, which is what Carol Lee is. I'm going to choose consultant as my job position. Sorry, job profile. And I'm automatically going to get the job description populated based on my job profile as well. Location. I'm just going to give it as San Francisco. A sample location, and for your exercise or your activity, you can choose the location that you created in the past time type. I'm just going to give it as 40 hours. Worker type. I will give it as regular. Okay. It's employee. Right. So difficult to fill? For now, just leave it overlap everything. Nothing else is required. Qualifications. If I want to add a qualification, I can give those qualifications for now. Just ignore it for now. And I'm going to hit submit once it is submitted. There is nothing else. That is going to happen automatically. My positions are available here. So in order to hire somebody, I need to go to the position relevant actions over here. So what I do is the same supervisor organization. If you see, once I create that particular position, like I said, since this is a position management-based support, only if I have a position open will I be able to hire. Without an open position, I cannot hire anybody. So here, right next to the position, you see it is unfilled, which means that is open right now. And I go to the relevant actions of this particular position, go to the hire option and say, hire employee. And here I can create a new hire, or I can just let me just open a person search for a person. There are some hiring restrictions, and relevant ones, which are created because this is actually a dummy tenant. That is the reason why there are multiple steps over here which is created. Alright. So far. Now, what I would suggest is, when you go to this for the first one it didn't populate the pre-hire and everything. So what I would suggest is choose the second one. The first one didn't come properly. Choose the second one because all of them the name is going to be synonymous. Choose the second one for all of you. Just choose the second option. Don't choose the first hire option. I'll try to brought over this and then find out the issue and try to correct it as well. So what you do is, once you create the position, go to the positions, relevant actions, go to hire and choose the second hire option. Alright. Second hire option here. Choose existing pre-hire. I already had a pre-hire created as test. And if that doesn't come up, let's choose A, create a new pre-hire, because sometimes the search is getting a little bit really cold. Create a new pre-hire. It's taking ages now. Let me create a new pre-hire for this. So what you do is you create a new pre-hire. It's very simple. Just have to click on create a new pre-hire and click on. Come on. Yeah. Once you click on OK, the only important information for now that you need to create is leave all the ones in the top, the source referred by, and everything. Just create the name of the person. I'm just saying this test. And my contact information. One of the contact information is mandatory. Either a phone address or email is mandatory. Any one of these are mandatory. I'm just putting it as home email address. That's it. What else are they populated? Okay, so there is already a person. I'll put this test. RN 1, 2, 3. And, like I said, the contact information any one of email, phone or address is mandatory when you create a pre-hire. So I've just created a new pre-hire for that particular position. Yeah. So once I created, it comes back to my hire employee page where it is going to hire test. I mean 1, 2, 3. And this is the supervisory organization, which is NS _ test. So far and hire date, I'm going to say hire it as on 18th, which is the earliest date by when my position is available. Alright. And all the other information is going to be automatically populated. You need not do anything over here at all, and once you hit submit, it is done. What is the error? That we get field employee type that's not getting populated? Okay, just put the employee type over here, as we have over here for this country. Put it as regular, just for the employee type alone. Just put it as regular and hit submit. So I want to actually highlight this over here is just go to, if you see this particular business process which is for hire.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.